Hey there. So, a little bit of an unusual ride today. We were heading for Laguna Zempoala National Park. Unfortunately, when we got there, it was closed. And also, the DJI Mic 2 recording was very corrupt. Not sure what happened, but the wind noise, the sort of sound feedback was just terrible. Tried editing in DaVinci, tried editing in CapCut, wasn't able to get much from it. So just accepted this was going to be just a very awesome ride through the forest and then some open land. So hope you can sit back, enjoy. Here we go. Joining me today on the ride is Eric. You'll see him on the bike in front. It was a really great, nice, cool temperature day. Great open roads, but sadly the park only opens on Saturday, Sunday and holidays. So we didn't know this before. We will return though, so do subscribe to the channel and then you can see the journey next time. For now, just sit back, relax, enjoy the open skies and twisty roads. Thanks very much. Give me a comment if there's any place you want me to go. Thanks and bye.